Okay, so I bought myself a Xbox controller charger. The reason I'm buying this is because I've spent a lot of money on just the normal batteries and also rechargeable batteries. As you can see probably in here, I should have the rechargeable. I've tried different brands and stuff, but they seem to always not last as long. In terms of, I bought this a few years ago, but I mean it lasted for a while, but it keeps on, when it's discharged and used up, we've got to charge it again to another box and then put it back in here. So I've gone with constantly charging controller itself, so I can just swap them around. I've got a few controllers myself, so I can charge this with this. Now the reason I bought this once again is because the price itself is the Nyko brand. I think they make other stuff as well for gaming, but this one is $11.99 from Amazon, and it can be used for Xbox One S, and you can see on here the compatibility of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox it first and show you how it sort of all comes together. So it comes with 2 batteries, charger, and the docking station as well. It gives you, I think I've read on here somewhere, like 15 hours of charge. The battery is not the strongest battery that we've got here. It's 1100 milliamp battery, so you can probably read it on there, dual board. Okay, that's all good, but there's a few interesting things about the docking station itself, which I thought was quite good. So it comes with the batteries, comes with the cable, it comes with the back, and I think it's also supposed to support Xbox One and Series X as well. So we'll see which one fits this controller, and we'll go and see if it works really well. Now there's some bad reviews and some good reviews. What I'll do, I'll use it for a while, and I'll put some notes on the on my channel as well to show you what's the outcome after a few months. So I've just literally bought this. I haven't actually fully tested it. So now let's open up and see what it looks like inside. Right way around. So let's open it the right way around. So this gives us the charger cable, which is Type C. You can see on here, which is quite good. The length of it is, I think the standard sort of length. I'm not sure what the. Oh, come on. So if you can imagine, it's doubled up in here. It's not that short, which is brilliant. So we'll keep that to the side. It comes with these. Question now is, that's the battery. That's another battery. And these are just the backs, depending on which types fits your controller, I'm assuming. Now, comparing them, first of all, to see what's the difference between the two. And I'll show you which one fits my one here. Let's get rid of all the rubbish. So as I said, it comes with 2 batteries, 1100 milliamp. It's their own brand, it looks like here, shows on here. So let's open this up and take the battery out of this one to see which one fits first of all. Well, that one fits perfectly fine. That one doesn't seem to fit at all. Yeah, so there's a difference. So only difference I can see is the, yep, they're the 2 different ones there. So you can see straight away which is the Xbox X controllers. I think this is the latest one that I've got. Let's just try and have a look with the other one that I've got as well. Are they similar? Yes, they are different. So this is my old controller. It doesn't have the function button on here. So if I try with this one, you'll see that one matches that, and the black one matches that, which makes sense. So it's worth keeping them both. Let's put the battery in. This side up, so I'm assuming this is the up. Don't know if I should just push it in or not. It's a bit of a tight fit, it looks like. Very tight fit. Have I got the right one? You can tell the difference between the two on this model that I bought. One's got little notches on here, other one doesn't. It's slightly wider, the older ones. And this one is a newer version, of course. So it goes in like that. Now let's take this out of the box and have a look at this. Now this is quite light. It looks quite nice. It's got the LED and I think it's supposed to light up on the side as well. And we'll try this all out and see how it looks. So first of all, let's see how it docks. I think it goes that way, doesn't it? That way. So this bit literally just goes in. It's quite nice. Yeah, that's really good. I like it. Yes, I actually think it's quite good. So now let's get it all connected up. Put my other controller on here and let it charge and see how it looks when it's all charging up. So before I connect this up, I just want to show you something else which is quite good. So the power goes in the back here, as you can see, and you've got an extra USB port as well, so you can connect another USB port to this, which I thought was a brilliant idea. So I'm going to now straight away connect this up and then give you a Alright, I don't think... Yeah, it looks like it's centered. Before it wasn't centered, so I did get it right way around. So same again, it's very, very centered. If you get it wrong, I think that's the trick to see if it's centered or not. And this looks like it's very centered. You can just about see it's very centered here. If you put it the wrong way around, it's the wrong way around. You can tell it's going to be off center. So let's get this on here and let's see how it charges. No lights coming on. There we go. It has come online. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, it's showing red on here. It doesn't indicate which one is charged and which one isn't. It'd be nice to indicate on here, front, back, or something like that to show which one it is. But I want to give you a quick side view of this. Now that it's charging, I don't know if you noticed, I said the red came on here, that means it's charging. We'll just leave it on here for a while. Now I'm going to show you the side view of how it does really look. You can see the lights are red on here, and the side gives a nice green glow. It's almost like an Xbox color, of course. And at the back, you'll notice the USB port that I've got there. And then from the top, that's how it looks. Now you may want to know the size of this measurement as well. It is on their site and Amazon as well, but I'll give you a quick measurement of this. So as you can see, the length of it itself is around about 24 centimeters, and the depth is of course the same as the Xbox controller. If you count the controller itself, 160, but the box itself, the docking station, is about 60 mil. There you go, that's how the docking station works. Now I'm going to go and connect this up to my Xbox, and you'll see I'll give you a feedback of this after I used it for a long period of time to let you know, because there has been some issues. Some people are saying the light's not working on the side and it doesn't charge and so forth, but this one seems to be charging perfectly fine for now. So thank you very much for watching this, and I hope this has helped you. And as I said, this was $11.99, I think it was, or $11.95 from Amazon, and that's the cheapest I could find as a docking station. It doesn't look bad at all, I must say. And you know, it's white. It goes with my decor that I have already, my cupboard that I put my computer and Xbox into, so you'll go quite well.